All right, so speaking on color correction, let me show you how very easy it is to color correct in Capture One. Very fast, very easy, more precise than Photoshop. Okay, this is a very powerful tool, just like Photoshop. So under the, don't let this place confuse you, just locate the layers and add a new empty layer, just like Photoshop, and you're going to select a lot of tools that are here. We have the magic brush tool, which is, you can see right here, and I'm going to select all the skin tones. Remember, we want to blend the skin tones together, so you can see this down part as is not the same with the middle part of the face. So quickly I'm going to select that, and Capture One is going to select that range for us. So for you to know where you've selected, you can hit M on the keyboard, M, and you can see the selection. I'm going to select more areas, hit M, and it's going to select all, just select all our skin tones, okay, including the black dark part. Now once you select that, you just come down, locate where the color editor, the skin tones, so you might see it like this, the color editor, bring it down. Yours might be at basic, so go to the skin tones. Now hit M to hide it. You're going to pick this and to this one, and then you're just going to select where you want all the skin texture, the skin color to look like. In this case, I want it to look like the yellow part of her face, so it's going to give you that selection on the circle. Now you can see view selected color range. That doesn't, it's not even, does not matter. Now the main thing is the uniformity and the hue. I'm going to bring it backwards, so just increase the uniformity and the hue. You're going to see how it just blends the skin tones together immediately. So but it's looking fake, right? Just bring it back below, let's say 83. You can increase the saturation. It's going to make the saturations uniform. You can also bring it back a little bit once it start looking fake. Why is it looking fake? It's because it's selecting all the image, the air, it's sampling all the image, the air and every other thing. So you can come back here and bring this backwards to make it have the red tony feel, okay? And if you take it like this, it's going to give you the golden melanin, and if you bring it back, it's going to give you the red. So you can bring all these two backwards, and there we go. So let's quickly see before and after. You can see before, zoom in, before and after. Just take a look at the hand before, look at this place, and then after. Now if you want to remove it from places you don't want, you know what to do. You can grab the mask, the eraser tool, and you can remove. So I'm going to make it smaller and erase it from this place. Yep, erase it from the eyes as well. From the eyes, you can as well as erase it from the air, because we don't need it there. So all these are just things you need to know how to do. Now I will advise you, when you are selecting, just select the place you want to correct. For example, I'm going to delete this layer. So what I said, grab a new empty layer, select the color marks, and let's say we want to correct the just this part of our body, this yellow, and you want to make it look like the skin, the brown part of the skin. So just select that part. It's going to select that color. It's M. You're going to see the range. If you want to select more of those side, let me say somewhere here, you can select, and it's going to select those places for you. I will still select more, so select somewhere like this, and it gives me that selection. So we are good to go. Hit M on the keyboard. Now once you select that, you can see the places that are selected. You're going to use the hue, the skin tones, select it, and let's select the hand. I like using this real color, so let's use this one somewhere there, and I'm going to bring it back, and the same thing, increase the uniformity of that color, and you can see it just immediately it blends it in. Let's quickly do before and after. C and C, C and C. Okay, so this one, increase the saturation as well. It's going to increase it. Just imagine how fast it is to give you that look before and after. You can increase the saturation and bring it backwards. You can change the hue of that side, you can change the hue of this side, bringing it back. So That's how to color correct or blend skin tones, which we all know.